this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own website without hosting and without buying domain name, without buying SSL certificate. So you can have a website, you can have your own website without anything, without your investing amount of money. You can also create your own website without any investment. So here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can proceed with Google and have your own website for free without any money to invest in it. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to know Max TV. Like this video, share this with your friends, and turn the bell button so I'll be looking for when I upload video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time now, let's get started. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome or popular browser, so you can open any browser you want, and after opening any browser you want, you are going to search for Blogger. So Blogger. So Blogger is the one best free blogger site that you can also create. So is the free platform which is for Google, owned by Google. You can use also to have your own also blog, and you can also create your own blog. You can also create your own website and choose whether you are going to create your unique domain name without paying an amount also. For buying a domain name, also you can get free domain name on Blogger. You can get also free hosting on Blogger, where you are going to host on Google. Also, you can start making your content on Google also by using Blogger. As you can see now, this Blogger now is working in Google, and it enables multi-users blogs with time-stamped entries, so also that they can also access their blogging system. So now what you can do here, you need to come here and click on this link, which is blogger.com. Also you can click here on this free 6 dots menu, and here I want to create blog. As you can see here, there is an option which is called create blog. On this option, you are going to create blog and start also creating your own blog. So now let me click here and you see. So you need to have a Gmail account which is active, so you can be using that Gmail account to create your own site. After this, also I'm going to confirm which Google account also you want to use and put password here, so you can proceed with creating this blogger website. So after this, now you can see now this blog also has been entered. It's has been also confirmed. Now what you need to do here, you need to come here blog and choose. As you can see here, they are staying promos, that is managing this blogger, and here below you are going to choose your name. Here you put name of your blog. So which name do you prefer to for your blog to be having? For example, I can be inserting the name of like example, let me put knowledge light. So knowledge light. Now it is, if this knowledge light now is going to be the name, what name of my blog. So after this, I click next, and will skip that. I can also skip that without putting the name of my blog, but also I decided to put the name of my blog now. After this, also I'm going to proceed, and here type the address. So this is a blogger domain name which is a free, and I'm going to type the address I want to be displaying on my blogspot.com. So you see it is having blogspot.com because it is a free domain name, but you can choose to upgrade this domain name to premium version, so you can have the unique domain name which doesn't have this blogspot.com. What you need to do here, you need to come here and click add what you want. For example, knowledge light is As I have installed knowledge light, I can also choose the domain name, which is called knowledge light. As you can see now, they are saying that this domain name is not available, and I can add some characters to see whether this domain name can be available. And they are saying that this blog address is available. Once it is available, now I'm going to click on the next option. So once I click next, they are saying now which display name can I insert or can I confirm for my blog. So I can also put the knowledge right as I was putting there, and this domain name will be visible there displaying knowledge right. So once I click knowledge right, also I'm going to click finish. So you see that is processing, and once it has processed, it is saying that display name updated and blog created, as you can see here. So once my blog is created, also I can start using my blog, and I can start selling my blog, also adding some options. For example, once I click on these settings, you can see here, I can come here on this option and see all the options I have also inserted. You see knowledge light is the title, and you can see here the favicon. I can also choose to add the favicon, which is the image which is going to be replacing this blogger image. So I can choose here and add the one. After doing that, I can also scroll down here and you see redirect domain name, custom domain name. Because I don't have domain name also, nothing, but I can also redirect the domain name. And you can see now this is my domain name, which is I confirmed there, and it is called knowledgelight01.blogspot.com because it is a free one. So I can also choose to upgrade that one to also the premium one, which is going to be giving me the options to or the access to have my blog address, which is not having blogspot.com. As you can see here, there are posts now here. They are saying which post can be shown on the home page. Also, I can change from 7 to, for example, 25. Then after sale, so you are seeing how you can also be using this blogspot. After this, you can come here and you can see below there are various options, and it can be enabling any option you want according to how you can be using your blog. And you can see there is earning here where you can be connecting your blog site to AdSense, so you can start making money from AdSense. And you can see here on the status means where you have it's a status showing how many visitors have visited your blog, how many posts you have, how many comments also you have on your blog. Also, you can click here and see the posts you are having on your website or on your blog, and you can also click here on add new once you want to create a new blog. So on new blog post here, you need to click there and click like here. So once I click here, you see it is creating a new post. So once you start creating a new post here, you are going to put the title. So the title of your blog post. Once you create the title of a blog post, also I'm going to start typing the content here. So whether I don't know which kind of content you want to type here, but here is where I'm going to type the content. So after typing the content, I want to publish this, publish your post, and this post is going to be then published so that every person can be seeing this post. So now you see, now this is my post, and I can be click here to share this, so I can click here to delete it, I can click here to view this blog post I have also typed it, and I can save each and everything on my blog post. So thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, Max TV, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload new video here at Max TV. So this shows you how you can create your own blog post for free without buying hosting or without buying domain name, and with free also SSL. Thank you very much for watching this video. see you in the next video. Stay with us.